Top of the morning to you, ladies and gentlemen, little girls and boys. It's a brand new week. It's a brand new Monday morning filled with new opportunities. Let's do this. Yeah, so right now I'm off to the gym. And I feel like I want to start going to the gym every single day because over the weekends I don't go to the gym. Weekends are my day off at the gym. And I lost a lot of productivity this weekend. And I feel like it's because I have nothing to do. I'm not, see the gym, I wake up first thing in the morning, that's what I go and do. And that set the course for the day, you know. So if over this weekend, I lost a lot of productivity. I got lost in the game, in the video game. You know, playing a lot of video games over the weekend. So I woke up this morning and I deleted all of the games. Every single one of them, because playing video games is not gonna get me to where I want to be in life. So the game's got to go. Yeah, so I'm gonna have hopefully today is gonna be a great day. I can feel it that this week is gonna be good. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. Let's do this. Yes, I made it back home. I gotta stop eating junk food, bro. I eat a lot over the weekend, and I felt it in the gym today. Yeah, I had cookies, like chocolate chip cookies and all of them things, bun and cheese over the weekend. Mush up in the gym, bro. But even though today was hard, bro, overall, today was really hard. Went up in weights. You do low reps in it, you do the lightweight, you do a lot of reps, but the lightweight is not that light, so the heavyweight is really heavy. Yeah, but I made it. I'm gonna shower now and then run some errands on the road. You know? Yeah. Come to think of it, you know that is one exercise really mashed me up today. One single one, and it's the leg press machine. Yeah, I put 3 plates on each side and I lean on my back and I push it for 8 reps 2 times, and then take off one of the weights. So 2 weights on each side this time, and then I push it 2 times I push it 10 times for 2 reps. Yeah. So that's what I did. And that mashed up. That was the second workout, and from then on it just downhill from there. My legs start wobbling. You know, it's leg day, so it's dangerous. And each of the plates on that machine was 45. So 45 times 3 on each side. So I was really pressing with my legs. I was pressing 35 and 35, 270. 270 pounds. My legs are strong, sweetheart. I can kick your head off your body. Yeah. Yeah, so right now, YouTube, I'm going to go to the insurance. I'm going to go back to see what they're saying because I haven't heard from them since the last time I've spoken to them. The lady there, she said she was going to call me, and she haven't called me as yet. So I'm going to go back downtown right now to deal with that. And I haven't had anything to eat all morning because last night I should have made my meal prep, but I didn't because I was playing video games. That's crazy. I need a wife to make my meal preps for me. Well, not need. I want a wife to make my meal preps for me. That's crazy. Yeah. And one more thing. I want you to always remember and never forget. If you tell her what she wants to hear, she will allow you to remove her underwear. Thank you. Ooh, should I wear my glasses? Nah, if I did that, I'm gonna be looking way too sexy for these hoes. You know, they might not want to give me their number. They might change their mind. They might think I'm way out of their league if I did that. You know, and I don't want that. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, you're so cocky. Nah, I'm not cocky. I just know I'm handsome. There's a big difference, you know? Ooh! Yo, bro, while I'm driving, let me give you some, like, let me talk to you real quick. Tell you something real quick. It's my experience when it comes to in life, bro. You see, the better girls, better women all around, it's easier to forget. She's not gonna give you a lot of problems. You know, I'll have to run up on her and tell her, "Hi, excuse me, my name is Aleko. What's yours? It's my pleasure to meet you. Can I take you out sometime? Shoot me a number real quick." You know, get them just like that. Easy procedure. It's the girls that are not really good women give a warm time, bro. You get me? Are not really good women. It's the girls that are good women. They got better pee. You know, some girls say they got good pee, but they don't really got it like that, in my opinion. And the the calmer girls, cooler girls, them type of girls that got better pee, in my opinion. Yeah. Those type of girls willing to come do anything for you, cook for you, clean your house for you, no problem, smooth process. Yeah? But it's the girls that are not worth your time are the ones that give you problems. You know what I mean? Give you one bag of talk, you know, like backhands and one bag of ray. You see me? Get a good woman, bro. You deserve it. You're a king, sir. Yeah, so that's my talk for the day. So, just talk to the people then. One bag of nonsense they tell me. Move back out here. So I'm going to take the letter to change insurance. But I'm going to go home now. What do you say? Oh. I'm going to leave now, go home, get something to eat. Isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm back home now. After talking to the insurance company. It's like a bit of nonsense they're telling me. So I'm just going to have to change insurance. And probably change license plate too. Because I don't know how people get my license plate to use it. To say, oh, me and them meet in an accident. So, can't really do that. Right now, I haven't had anything to eat as yet all morning. Well, other than protein shake and the almond. The time is now 4:22. But the funny thing is, I don't even feel hungry. This is what I have, the almond. Yeah. And maybe it makes me feel satiated for long. I just had a few handful of them. Maybe that's why I don't really feel hungry, you know? Yeah, so I'm gonna eat a bun and cheese right now, cook. And then, yeah, just chillax a little bit. This is some Rod Wave. The new album. Yeah. Trouble. And we're live. Hi, YouTube. So it's late at night right now. The time is now, phone is all the way over there. The time is now 11:03, right, in the PM. And I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of having a girlfriend. Yeah. So that's all the business. I even wrote it down because I want to be. I should put on my glasses, you know. And put my glasses on and come back, get my phone to look more professional. Yeah, so I went and got my glasses to look more professional while doing this, you know. Dr. Lyttle. I'm a love doctor, baby. Yeah, so my first pro of having a girlfriend, you don't have to cook. I remember when I had a girlfriend, I didn't even have to share my own food. Those were the good old days, bro. Good old days. Reminisce. Those meals were nice too. She was a good cook. Next pro of having a girlfriend. No, I'm gonna do one pro then one con. Alright, so number one pro is you don't have to cook. She cooks for you. I didn't even have to share food, to be honest. I was living like a king, to be real with you. Yeah. And the number one con, women are expensive. Yeah, women, they want budgets. You know, they want you to pay for their hair, their nails, and all that. Women are very, very expensive, bro. When you have a girlfriend, if you have a couple of hoes, you don't have to give hoes nothing, bro. Just give them a chumps every now and then. And, you know, but if you have a girlfriend, you want your girlfriend to be fly like you. You know, so if you're using the latest iPhone, you're gonna want her to have the latest iPhone because she's your girlfriend. Feelings are involved, bro, and that's a con because that you waste a lot of money on doing that. Yeah. So back to the pros. Number two pro. Your house is always clean. Yeah, my house was always clean, bro. I came home to a clean house and dinner all the time, and I used to like that. Yeah, but what I didn't like about that was that the cleaning products, the cleaning agents, it got finished quickly, and I was the one who was buying it. So, cost you burn your pocket. Yeah, because women want to clean every day, even though it's two adults living in the house. The house don't need to clean every day, but you want to clean every day. Why? Alright, but that's a pro though. Clean every day. Place always clean. Number two con. They always nagging you about something. You know, something they always nagging you. Take up the shirt. You leaving your shirt on the couch. Why did you leave the shirt on the couch? Can you take up your shirt? Sweetheart, you saw the shirt. Why don't you take up the shirt? Right? I know I took the shirt off and leave it there, but you can take the shirt up too. You don't have to make a big deal out of it. All right? Yeah. So women nag you all the time. That's the second con. They nag about everything, bro. I hate that. All right. So back to the pros. So the number 3 pro, you have someone to do things with, like travel or go to parties. Yeah. If you had a girl, not a girlfriend, like we used to do everything together. Like you try new food together, you go new places together. You want to go to a party, you can go with that person, and then you're close with them like that. And yeah, I'm just giving you like my experiences being in relationships. And let me tell you, I've never been in a relationship that's longer than 3 months. Right? I'm like a failure at relationships, to be honest. But it's always I used to think the women were the problem. But I look into it, bro, and it's honestly, I'm the problem, to be honest. I'm a part of the problem, right? One part of the problem is I haven't met the right woman. And the other part of the, one part, yeah, the right woman for me is one part of the problem. So the women are the problem. The other part of the problem is me, because I haven't achieved some of the goals that I set for myself yet. So I'm always worrying about my goals and not worrying about hoes, right? So I always just kind of distance myself from the girls where I shouldn't really do that. I should, like, yeah. So that's the reason why my longest relationship was 3 months. But it is what it is. It was a relationship. Don't comment and say it wasn't, because it was. Because it was a relationship. That's what relationships are. And I feel like I've even had more relationship that I don't even count. Like girls that you didn't even sleep with, like those were relationships. We used to fall asleep on the phone together. We talked for months, right? We got to know each other on a deeper level. It was kind of a relationship, but people don't count that, so I'm not gonna count that. So yeah, when you have a girlfriend, a pro is you'll do a lot of things together. You have somebody to do some things with. You have somebody to talk to, and all of that. Yeah, all the time. So number 4 con, the mood or moods. Number three con is mood swings. I hate those, bro. Why do you have to? You're hot then you're cold. You're yes then you're no. You're in then you're out. Why do you have mood swings, you know? Why you, like this minute everything is good, then the next minute all of a sudden, bam, don't touch me. You know what I mean? Like, why are you being like this? I just want a little hug, you know? Sometimes, like, I don't know why women have mood swings, but they do, and it's a con. I hate mood swings. I hate women with mood swings. All right, so number 4 pros. Bedroom activities are better because feelings are involved. Yeah, bedroom activities, it better. You get me? She more, for you, because more, you get me? I say, like, it comfort. Yeah. Because you are in love, like, you have feelings towards each other, so it's going to be better. In my experience, that's what it is, Feelings make it feel better. Ooh, yeah. Self-explanatory. Yeah, so my number 4 con is that they want to cuddle all the time. Sweetheart, I don't want to cuddle. I just want to sleep. I can't get some sleep. Why do you want to cuddle all the time? Ease up off me, sweetheart. You're hot, right? It's hot. We're living in Jamaica, right? I don't want to cuddle all the time. Get off me, okay? Yeah. So that's a con, because I don't want to cuddle. Don't cuddle me, sweetheart. I couldn't think of many cons, to be honest, because as I said, my relationships have never been past 3 months. So that's my last con, to be honest. And my final pro, number 5 pro, is that having a female energy around to balance me out. Yeah, balance my energy out. Yeah, that's nice. Having a female, like whenever a woman is around me, like the right woman, a girlfriend, a girlfriend, not you know, a one night thing or like nothing like that. It's like when you have a girlfriend around you, I feel like I sleep better. Yeah, I'm asleep when I feel more rested. I could remember those Sundays, you know. Maybe it's the music. Maybe it's the feminine music that girlfriends tends to play. What does that. But I sleep better, bro. Like when it's like my body get a little like it is the pheromones. I feel like it's a woman's scent. You know, it just put you at ease, bro. Put you at ease and like put you to sleep and you sleep for long. It's just healing. To be honest, some women are healing. You know, give me a woman that's gonna heal me, bro. Yeah, so that's it for the video. I could come up with a lot more cons, like I could come, but can't think of none right now. So yeah, that's it for the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below. Let me know what you think, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Turn your post notifications on, and yeah, I look forward to more videos because I'm more plugged in right now. I was wasting a lot of time on the video games, and also I get a lot of views, and look at the time, 11:11. Can you believe it? That's crazy, right? So on my TikTok, I get a lot of views, and I only have 4 TikTok on there. So look at my TikTok. That's crazy. Someone followed me just now. Wow. Ooh, I got a follower, and I'm following one person. Yeah. So go mess with my TikTok because I'm gonna be posting more TikTok soon. I get a lot of views on my 5 videos. Yeah. Yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe. We're out here. Peace. Deuces. You like my glasses? Do you like my glasses? Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Just a nigga with no wife. Doing no wife having nigga activities late at night. Early in the morning, late at night. Yeah. Every day me touch one girl, maybe today me touch 2. Cause today is 22/2/22. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, YouTube. That's it for the night. It's late at night right now. What time is it? I'm signing off at 1:02. Can you believe it? 22/22. I'm signing off at 1:02. Trouble.